your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is continued powered by World Sports Betting. It is co.za. It is Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gallants 0 in the Nedbank Cup. Marumo Gallants have this flirtation with cup finals because I think they lost in the semi-finals of the Culling against the Sundowns. They're always there and thereabouts. In fact, when they were called Chakuma Chamazivandira and Ndabayeteto Ndlondlo was playing for them, it was the same status and they beat Chippa United in the final of the same competition in Nedbank Cup. So they're always flirting. But tonight or today, they deserve nothing really. It was not good enough. For Pirates, they scored the goal, kind of controlled the game, but they could have conceded goals as well because I think it was too early for them to start defending. However, they are in the final, so they achieved their mission. Our analyst, Junior Kanye, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Without waste cut,
there's another game here.
Young Bulisu Justice, Bulisu Sofila, Benedict, the legend.
So and so.
Biliso, Lea Mulindo Pep, Bobzin, Eba Fit Winjan keep on supporting it. Is TV fighting on try to fix it.
Humble, legend. He doesn't realize how big he was. So he doesn't realize how big he was.
That's why I actually this ngoba
you were on the other dressing room.
Yes, this guy is not playing ngayo. Mina bengikhuluma ngoChed, my mastermind. Bengicala ukubona uChed every time we play Pirates. I'm a former teammate wami la khona yazi. Ukuthi assign somebody to pick somebody. That's how dangerous so was.
Yeah.
And indaba ne football intelligence utsobe angazithola kutholakala ipolweni wonke umuntu alakho. Maybe aka touch ibola egamini ka 7 but he can score about 2 goals. Pirates win it you need. Bekane football intelligence utso and lo muntu beka understand ama area dangerous la pace la because occupy. So I think I'm a player by fit. You only mean I'm surprised. He's not coaching Pirates. Good development structure. Le ntwana lezi ama midfield they supposed to learn from him. And also beka petty engine. Also beka was defender was go attack. X is mfethu. Kule nokujump ukudlula abantu abade.
Yeah.
Le nto le ifuna ukuhlakanipha. So ngiyahlonipha le yami mina. It's just that yazi living kunjani fit. There's players angazi uyihamba nangenhlanhla kunama players South Africa engibona they rate them so high. Take nothing away abantwana abantu baspanile ngikhuluma ngama legend but so I mean Akim I think naye bekumele kube face of South African football.
Absolutely I agree with you.
Yeah.
It is very humble as well. You wouldn't think Masongena in a room, you wouldn't think this one was a star.
Yeah, yes, and nami ngathi mangihlangana noMtsobithi ngikhumbula shoot enye incwadi Soccer Life.
Soccer Life magazine.
Yeah,
I used to read those.
Ifran cover khona. Yazi mangihlangana naye mele ngibe nevar ne. Ngintwana ngifika nami gaming ngihot but mangimbona mele ngibe nevar kwaba khona this thing ukuthi ayilengwenya.
Yeah.
Yabona ingwenya
Superstar.
Ingwenya. So
ngidlala futhi ngama legends ase Swaziland. Ungayishilo chapter le you guys are legends in Swaziland.
Utso ngidlale naye kuMalanti Chiefs eSwaziland. Yeah, but also yazini into engichaza ngayo ne. Into ebengichaza nama player bewadlala na uChiz mina beku off the field. Utso into ebengichaza was a leader of the field, especially to youngsters at Orlando Pirates. Chiz you always told me that. Umuntu bekakwazi ukuthip ukuthi intwana yenza so. No, honestly, angimkhulumeli. Uchiz Cheese and gift mina bekubo pro, especially uChiz beka wes. Ugift yes ngimkena ngoChiz. Uchiz beka shoot intwana le yana off the field is a leader.
You can protect players.
Yes, you can say intwana le yeke boy. Le ungayenzi le. So umuntu njengalo you hardly find star players at the team azokwazi ukuprotect ufuna kube uye. So well done ukuthi angabi selfish. Yeah.
Yet another final for Jose Rivero. And he might just win another final depending of course we don't know what will happen, but he's got a good record of getting to these finals.
Yeah, indaba ingwenya. Omunye umuntu can say the game plan yakamchita iyaspana. Because of our results amsebenzela. When you win this way, everybody will say the game plan works.
Yeah.
But when you win ugly, mabanga kubuza or but we repeated that thing, you're not gonna do that. Pirates today, well done. It's in Pirates something else. One of the best goal. It's like Mugeli Spanish. I'm watching Barcelona mixed with players who Madrid. Abo Rodrigo Vinicius Jr. also Mhlambe. Abo Kamavinga mix nabo Gavi. Nabo Labafana Labo Petri. It's Barcelona and Nabo Rafinha. It's Barcelona in Spain. Because there was combination, way of pass, Unkocha, Utito Masangai. And also the finish from Kabelo Dlamini. Well done. I mean, the Lapola, the way they score, Pirates mina bengazi ikora so. The previous Orlando Pirates. Ukudlala ukora nge-combination. Composed mfethu. Le bola lelo mfana I'm sure you bamnika man of the match because mangibheka game.
Oh, he got the man of the match.
For me, Teto Masangwai the game.
So who got the man of the match?
Kabelo Dlamini.
Okay.
So for me,
but he only scored that goal.
yeah, but igoal la kamfana. Yabona mhlambe bamnikelele on the goal is something else. Trust. You understand? And also no Tito the vision. Yabona the square pass ngora a weaker foot. Nalo mfana unkota le way of pass le yanika albeke endleleni lakho Tito Masangwai. Well done to the boy and I think the boy did very well namhlanje unkota first 15 minutes if not so. Pirates njoba ngisho first half front three bengnejive. The guy evident Mahopa tactical mosha yonke into. I understand that the coach mhlawumbe umthandela ukuthi the up front is going to chase, is not going to stop, he's going to run non-stop. Irole yakhe Pirates ifanele shalile. You hardly find those people to receive a firm pass, run off the ball, create space, bazenzele space ukuthi bashoot, take two players, even one. You hardly find Shalile and Evident doing that. But babathandela this thing chasing. Mhlambe nge-cross, ehamba phansi, mhlambe square pass, tap in, go. That's what they want. But central, tactical, the guy, I think we are mosha yonke into kona Pirates. You find players abo Nkocha and also Otto bangena phakathi because of he's not there. Sometimes he's lost. The guy is sitting there ukhathele on the side. Icala la problem front row Orlando Pirates didn't function. Eskuluma after the goal it didn't function. Nkocha uhlelela inini ufuna uDino ngiyazi coach watheka nguDino van Rooyen. Ufuna uDino ayokufakela cross unkocha umela inini kanje they become baba close so who is good baluse ball you don't have midfielders and the Pirates they've got this tendency lately Pirates qale kahle season bengazi ba combine njengale goal balikorile Pirates be exciting kanje ukuyibukela first season mayicala but now the coach I think is playing maximum football and is getting away ngalama results uthi sibise the back lo mfana uMbokazi and then goalkeeper libuye kuMbokazi Sibisi long ball behind lento they lost I think amabhola first half 6-7 it's a pity Tito Masonga is the only player mina bengimbona in charge in the middle compliment to the coach lineup yakuthi adlale holding midfield day one but now Makhehle nowhere to be seen show up people defense my petty Pirates so that isikwazi ukuphuma la sithole labantu abayi3 but now if usichafile or mawuphethe ibhola udlala sideways or back pass how is kuyona Tito uzodlala kanjani uTito ngoba udlala ngama attack i2 attacking midfield i2 which is uKabelo Dlamini no Tito but for me uKabelo only score goals but Tito beka dictate game for me he content of man of the match le guy uTito dlalile leya and angeke usho ukuthi buya ku-injury realize I start
absolutely just keep an eye on Marumo Gallants. What was I got frustrated when I could see that they are worried about the Pirates, which is understandable. So Orlando, but what was their plan? Because why did they only start chasing the game Maxele Boma 15 minutes?
One, the coach in a good team. Yes, pound to pound you can't compare players at Pirates and
Marumo Gallants.
But you know my player. Ibonakali emacha to go second half. First half, Nomchita lo nhlapho balete down. The holding midfielder Marumo Gallants. Uhleli ku back 4. Utete phambi is like when you're not gonna play. Udlala this defensive midfield yakudala ukuthi uzoma extra center back. Ngoba mabaphethe ibhola bongambona linka or even supporting ibhola male ku left wing back or right wing back. So always ibhola umjitebe uEdgar. Yiko uEdgar sometimes thola ukuthi nakula state ufika lapha khathele. Holding midfield ulanda ibhola ibecome attack ujoin boxing it's only him mina ngimbonile ukuthi is extra than usebenza harder than this guy unhlapho and this boy Nomtejani I think very good player but he need to play forward mela abe nama forward pass in terms of keeping the ibhola I think he did very well mawubona Marumo Gallants keep ibhola it's him supporting nalo mchita lo Edgar it's only them in terms of keeping the position but they playing backwards Edgar and this boy.
Was it a mistake uqala uMango second half?
Yeah.
Would you have started the game with him?
This boy Khumalo, I'm not too sure why the coach started with him. Bamfuneli energy, the speed, but how many times they run behind the defense all on the Pirates? How many shots don't target in Kulmangai? Does he create a speed? We as a shot as udlala na yabona nabo Edgar. So the mfana I think first the coach ithole wrong da central lapha forward domfana lo Khumalo. I think Msendami on the left hand side. Today as well, I'm not too sure. The guy man kunamama game whereby when I look at him, he's more of a star player for this team. But Mr. This guy Zikora. Zindonga.
Yeah.
They miss the guy.
Yeah,
Zimbabwean. They miss him. I'm sure if this guy was there, now because of something, because he's isolated on the left hand side. Every time you play and you want to start everything running with the ball unnecessary. Far from one another. On the right hand side, Mahlatsi, you cannot ask this guy Sedam. The coach defender. That's why first half Imarumo because you ask these three players, Ukumalo, Msedami, and Mahlatsi to come and defend. So now he just wanted to stop Orlando Pirates tactical first half. Nothing much. I want to go behind the Orlando Pirates. I think you get the goal. But second half, the approach, I think, will change.
Okay, I'm worried about the time because of the next game.
Yeah.
I asked so the same question as well. It's going to be an interesting final. Whoever Pirates get to play, there's a pedigree. Pirates. We know he's going to play defensive football. Through the lack or randomness, you knock out football, 90 minutes, winner. But why yena ilaki yakhe engasirculate? Why kuma final anokuwa winner njalo? Even if he goes to penalties and we know it's negative football, but fans don't care as long as they have their hand on the cup. Yini yena emenza ukuthi le lucky le ilale ngakwelakhe icala?
Yeah, we'll give the credit to the guy. Spot on in terms of it means umuntu okwazi win ama trophy. The mindset of winning the trophies. Uyazi ukuthi I don't have to be smart. Angithi le debate besinayo la studio. Not ukuthi we're fighting about Rulani and Teddy Mitro. Not Ted, I mean to say. Pitso
Instead of deciding, I'm defending tonight, it's a final.
Yeah, Gunama games.
I can attack,
Yes. There's certain games. Best coaches, including Abukaro and Chelotti. Gunama game whereby this one I'm not going to play.
Yeah.
I'm going to just...
We are against Pep Ancelotti.
We understand.
We win semi-final last year.
And Pep, one of the best.
Yeah, we win a futhi Ancelotti. Bakhala abantu basa Spain ukuthi it doesn't mean you are the best.
Yeah, that's why even now he's leaving.
Yeah.
Xavi Alonso might take over.
Yeah.
And other coaches. So, Jose Rivero, credit to him, we like it or not. The guy, finally was a winner. You understand? It's just that in a lucky pin back on. Because Mauzo, if you're gonna put this boy outside, this boy final last year against Sundowns. Nedbank Cup. He came last 15 minutes. Then I found coaching. Well done Ispanile because the coach put him. I think he came and scored. Yeah. So Spanile and Esnisho, well done to the coach Spanile. There's what so. I justify mangathi ngiyamquestiona bazongitshela ukuthi umuntu ekuma final maybe 3 is 4 maybe.
Yeah, that's why I kept on saying to Tso ukuthi asiwinile siya ku final.
I think is more of a coach ofana nabo Jose Mourinho man, they know how to win trophies.
Yes.
And well done to that and ngoba
mara umbuzo wami usamile ukuthi why eyakhe inhlanhla ihamba kuye kuphela ngoba it looks like he keeps on winning these finals.
Yeah.
I don't remember one he lost. I would be lying. Angikhumbuli kune eyodwa ayuluza final.
Yeah, indaba na type of players that they got. Pirates have got star players. Yeah, but as much as they can defend, but if you can give Relebogile Fukeng the ball last minute, or even it can do something, it can do a magic, or Lentwana Leoncourt. They've got those type of players who can win game for you. No mangabi can play naka Ispanang with coach here. That's why you need special players at Pirates and Chiefs and Sundowns. Masongani. Nyesingila utiyala zipo. Lea utito man, I wish. Ngifuna abantu la ngimele bayisi emphasize South Africa. Lo mfana lazi mfula. Nguleko that guy mfethu. Yes ku Pirates mhlambi might ukuthi abanye abantu ngiyazi uRelebogile ngimthanda kakhulu. I love Marutito mfethu ngicela ubheke irole yamfana iGem le yamfethu. Yamfana lazi ibhola. Hey uTito ngicela singayi overlook that guy mfethu. Out here lazi and he's Pirates influential. Ubheke Pirates when the boy is there. And Nomangeko, this boy made some guy credit.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. We're jumping on to the next game now. It's Mamelodi Sundowns against Kaizer Chiefs in the semi-final. And I've been keep on repeating this in every video. It doesn't matter who wins. It will still be a blockbuster final because we already got a big team on the left. We'll have a big team on the right-hand side. It will just be a variation of how big, but both of them, whether it's Sundowns versus Pirates or Chiefs versus Pirates in the final, it will be a big final. The country will be divided in half, especially if it's a Soweto derby, although that's unlikely, but we shall see what will happen in the next 2 hours. It is Tiski Times, who was betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.